Okay, now we're to divide these two binomials, a third degree binomial divided by a first degree binomial. So we're going to set up the long division process, and how many times does x minus 2 divide into x cubed minus 8? Now, it's very important at this point to put in 0 placeholders. We need an x squared term, so how many x squareds do we have? 0 x squareds. We need an x term, but we have none, so we have 0 x terms. Finally, as a constant term, we do have negative 8. You need those 0 placeholders, as you'll see as we go through this process. So now we start off seeing how many times does x here divide into x to the third power. Well, x goes into x to the third power, x cubed here, x squared times. And x squared times x is x cubed. X squared times negative 2 is negative 2x. And then we subtract. See, we needed the 0x squared up here. I'm sorry, this is 2x squared. We needed the x squared because x squared times negative 2 is negative 2x squared. We need the 0 placeholder up here, 0x squared, so we have a place to put the negative 2x squared right here. Otherwise, we'd be cramped for space. There'd be nowhere to put it. Okay, now we subtract. X cubed minus x cubed leaves nothing. And 0x squared minus a minus 2x squared is 0 plus 2x squared. That adds up to 2x squared. We bring down the next term, even though it's just a 0 term. And we start this process again, asking how many times does the x divide into 2x squared? Well, x goes into 2x squared 2x times, because 2x times x is 2x squared. And then 2x times negative 2 is negative 4x. Again, we have a 0 placeholder above to put this negative 4x under. Now we subtract. And the 2x squareds cancel out, and we have 0x minus a minus makes a plus, 4x. So that adds up to 4x. And we bring down the very last term, this negative 8. And we ask how many times does x divide into 4x? Well, x goes into 4x 4 times. 4 times x is 4x, and 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. And now we subtract, and notice that we're subtracting the same binomial here from itself, so the remainder is 0. So what this all means is that when we divide x cubed minus 8 by the binomial x minus 2, the result is x squared plus 2x plus 4 with no remainder. So that is it. This means, by the way, that x minus 2 multiplied times this trinomial x squared plus 2x plus 4 must equal x cubed minus 8. Apparently, a lot of middle terms cancel out there.